Hey, welcome back to Know My Shop this time because my shop is all apart. But I kind of forgot to put a finish on this. This is supposed to be a yarn bowl for Kim. And I'm not allowed to bring raw wood into Argentina, so it needs to be finished. So I came to my friend's Jim's shop to finish it. And that's what we're doing. But this is the type of stuff that Jim does, just in case you haven't heard me talk about Jim before. It's Jim Williams, and his website is turningtrees.ca or .com, Jim? .ca. And he also has a YouTube channel called Turning Trees. So check it out if you want to learn how to make a hat, or need to book him for a demo. He's your man. Lots to be learned from Jim. So anyways, that's the update. My house is up for sale and it's just in a waiting mode, and that's it. I'll catch up with you in the next one or from the other side. Ciao, ciao.